video. So, part 2 of this video is going to be laying the carpet tiles. So the carpet tiles that we are actually laying are 18 inches wide, 36 inches long, and we're going to be laying them in a brick ashlar pattern. And all that means is because the carpet tiles have arrows in the back of them, and the ashlar part is the arrows are all running the same direction. The brick is just the staggered that it's going to be. So we already went ahead and we chalked some lines on the floor here for some reference points, so we already know where to go. And we're going to start laying. So the first one that we're going to lay is going to be a full one. And I'll just line it up on our marks here. There we go. And that's the first piece. So we can go ahead and work off this if we want. I decided to skip the one by the door for now. That's going to have to be cut in. So I figured I might as well get the full ones in first and go from there. So we make sure that the arrows are always facing the same direction, which is going to be that way for this floor here. And we'll go ahead and we'll keep laying a few all the way across. Once they're laid across here, I'll go ahead and I'll cut these back couple in just so you can see, and then we'll skip ahead and probably do a little time lapse for you and show you what it looks like as it's getting done. So. Once we're done laying these, it's a good idea to go over it with like a weighted roller. And typically what you can do, not sure if you've ever seen the floor and carpet rollers or just the roller wheels. I will attach a picture though if you have not seen one. And typically all you need to do is put a bag of mortar, bag of sand, bag of concrete, anything else on it. And that's all the extra added weight you need on it. You just roll it across your floor, and that'll just help make sure everything sticks good and adheres well. So now that we got this far, I'll put one more down and I'll go ahead and I'll cut one and show you what it looks like. So, we will, might as well put this one on, of course. So, we will go ahead and typically, I like to use a scrap piece to cut on, just so you don't cut through and cut your carpet that's already down. This is really easy to cut with a knife. I know by my pattern here that these pieces that I'm going to have to cut in are going to be 18 inches, which is exactly half of one of my carpet tiles. So if I cut this in half, I'll be able to use it for 2 pieces, less waste. It'll work out way better that way. So for that, we'll need square. Drywall square works out perfect. You'll need your tape measure and either a pencil or marker. 18 inches. And let's see. I'm going to grab a scrap piece right out there. Got my son today, he's my helper. So yeah, gonna put him to work. He's gonna learn a little bit, learn how to do some stuff, and it's gonna go good. So, you got one? Yeah. Okay, so here's an old piece. We'll go ahead, put it on here. Get our square. No need to mark out a whole straight line. We know by the T-square that we're using, once we're good, it's on there. And you can cut one of two ways. You can either cut where you're cutting the rubber on the back of it, of your carpet tiles, or you can cut with the carpet facing up. I prefer the other way because it's kind of hard to know when you cut through the rubber. So if you cut with the rubber up, once you pretty much cut through the rubber, you're pretty much through the carpet. So you might only take one extra little pass through and you're good instead of cutting way too deep. So now that those are cut, go ahead and we'll fit those in there. Make sure he's in good. Just a booger. There we go. Next one. And there we go. So what it's gonna keep looking like, I'm just gonna run it all the way through and go from there. So all right, everybody, and there you have it. We are done. I'm gonna get this cleaned up and be out of here. So, show you what it looks like one last time and take a peek for yourself.